Hi! In this video I will show you how to set up Bytes Route. On the home page, click on the Sign Up. The registration page will show up. Here you have to enter your name and your email address. Then choose a password and click on the Register button. You will be redirected to the dashboard page. Press Begin to start your journey. To start using Bytes Route, you have to install the Chrome extension first by clicking on the Get the Extension button. Here you simply need to click on Add to Chrome and then select Add Extension. Don't forget to pin the Bytes Route extension from the Chrome toolbar. Now go to the dashboard page and select Continue. Connect Bytes Route by copying the code snippet from the dashboard and insert it at the bottom of the index.html page before closing the body tag, as shown here. Return to the dashboard page and click on the Refresh button. If everything works well, you will see the domain where the script is detected on.